What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I made a cooking video, so I'm gonna do this real quick. It's basically a quick and easy chop suey, which is basically a Chinese style stir fry, but we also use this with noodles, which is basically pancit canton, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, this is pretty easy. The instructions are here, and it's pretty straightforward. You can find this at online or any Asian or Oriental store, and this is good with the noodles, but I don't have any noodles, so I'm gonna use vegetables and just do a regular stir fry with some shrimp I have here. So this is, like I said, this is pretty easy dish. Anybody can do it. So I got the rice ready, some brown rice. But yeah, let's get started. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna prep the vegetables. I'm gonna also mix 1 cup of water with this thing right here. Everything's on here, but I'm just gonna go through it. Oh shit. It's good. So I got 1 cup water here, and I'm gonna mix. You might want to get a bigger bowl. Oh shoot. And you're gonna set this aside. This is gonna go after you fry your shrimp or whatever whatever vegetables you have or meat. And what's gonna happen is this will thicken, and as you the more you cook it, the more it becomes thicker. Like I said, this is an easy dish, especially if you're lazy like me, and very convenient. I think this goes for like what is it, like $1 a piece, $1.50. It depends where you get it from. My store closest to my area sells it for $1.78, but they had a promotion going on for like 99 cents. So I picked this up. You want to pick up the Mama Sitas brand. I don't know if you're Asian or Filipino or whatever, you heard of this brand before. Specifically the Mama Sitas all-purpose sauce, which is like a brown breadcrumb sweet sauce, which you use on like lechon or any pork. So anyways, after I finish this, we're gonna add some oil to the pot. Alright, so I got my spoon. So what I'm gonna use is macadamia nut oil infused with garlic. Put some in here just to fry the shrimp and the vegetables. It's gonna get stormy here in Hawaii. It's raining right now. I can hear the thunder and saw the lightning. So the instructions are to heat the oil and stir fry vegetables. So I'm gonna use actually there's gonna be a lot of popping because this thing is frozen vegetables. This is not fresh vegetables. I don't have any, so yeah, you can hear a lot of popping and splashing. I don't recommend using frozen vegetables because it'll get kind of soggy and it's not, it doesn't taste as good. But that's all I have right now, so deal with it. Put it in high. So we're gonna fry the vegetables like I said earlier, And we're gonna pour and dissolve the mix and cook it over high heat until the sauce thickens. And I'm also have to prepare my shrimp. I recommend when you cook chop suey or any sort of these kind of style dishes, use shrimp. Don't use you can use chicken, but I think shrimp is the best. Oh shit. And you might want to peel the shrimp before you throw it in. So you don't gotta peel it when you eat it. You know how annoying is that? Super annoying. I know this is supposed to be an entrepreneur channel, but entrepreneurs gotta eat too. Actually, one of my first videos that boosted my channel was a pancit video I made a while back, and I was surprised how many views the thing got. Oh fuck! Oh shit! Okay, that's not good. Okay, everything calmed down, so good to go. Yeah, honestly, I like this sauce better with the pancit, the thick yellow one. Tastes a lot better, and you gotta cook it good too, because sometimes it'll be soggy if you leave it for too long. But I think if this is your first time cooking this, you'll probably enjoy how easy this is, and you probably won't get it correct the first time to your liking, but the second time is usually when you know how to make it better. Still got a few shrimps here. Alright, see, we got the shrimp. I could use more vegetables, but I'm only cooking for myself. There's a lot of shrimp. I love shrimp. Good for pescatarian diet. So we're gonna cook this for a bit. Make sure the shrimp cooks and turns orange. The vegetables are already cooked, so make sure you keep it on high so the heat is constant. Because when you add the shrimp, the heat will drop, and then it'll take longer to cook. So just keep it on high. But make sure you watch it and gauge what's happening, because you don't want this thing to burn too. And here again, here's the sauce. I think this has cornstarch in it, so it'll thicken up, or flour or whatever. But yeah. So the rice just got done. The shrimp is turning orange, not fully, but it'll cook with the sauce. So I'm gonna mix this. Make sure you mix this real good. You don't want any leftovers in here or residue. You want everything in here. So you give it a mix and just pour it in. You might want to use a whisk, but I'm ghetto, so I use a fork. Next, we're going to bring it to a boil. And then the sauce is going to thicken. It's going to give it that Chinese chop suey look. Here it is. See, as you can see, the sauce is getting thicker there, and that's what you want. And then turn on the heat. You don't want to overcook it, but shit, look at that. It's not cooked yet. So just have the sauce cook it. Just bury it in there. Yeah, this is a easy meal, like I said, healthy, except for the sodium. If you have high blood pressure, make sure you take your meds. And I got the bam. All right, everybody, peace.